Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy egg sauce. Start by gathering eggs, tomatoes, onion, garlic, chilies, oil, vinegar, and salt. Use medium heat to gently cook aromatics until soft and fragrant. Mash or chop tomatoes to form a chunky base and add beaten eggs while stirring to create ribbons of cooked egg. Finish with a splash of vinegar and fresh herbs for brightness. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Chop onion, garlic, tomatoes, and chilies so everything is ready to go. Beat the eggs lightly with a pinch of salt for even texture when added to the sauce. Measure oil and vinegar to add at the right moment for acidity. Having everything prepared makes cooking faster and helps you focus on achieving the perfect spicy balance. Heat oil in a skillet and sauté onion and garlic until soft and golden for sweet depth. Add tomatoes and chilies, then simmer until the mixture reduces into a thick, saucy texture that coats a spoon. Lower the heat and pour in beaten eggs while stirring gently to form tender ribbons of cooked egg. Taste and adjust salt, then finish with a splash of vinegar and chopped herbs for bright balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.